my channel. My name is Jasmine. If you're new here, welcome. If you are a current subscriber, welcome back. Can't even talk. But for those of you who don't know who I am Jasmine, and I have two Etsy shops. First one is CreativeJas Designs, adult t-shirts, and then second one is Twinkleology, which is baby onesies, toddler t-shirts, and youth t-shirts. But in today's video, it's going to be a quick video. I'm going to be making this tank top right here. It's going to be up here somewhere. I'm not sure which side. I always get confused with where it places it. But actually I'm placing it, but I don't know because I do have to flip my camera because for some reason it's always flipped. A picture of the tank top that I'll be making. This is from my CreativeJas Designs shop. I'll link the actual item in my description if you want to take a look at it. And my shops will both be listed in the description down below. But I'll be making a tank top that says shush or shh. I'm doing math. So you'll see it in the picture. So yeah, if you want to see how I make this tank top, then please keep watching. All right, so the first thing you'll need is the actual tank top. So the one I use is the Ideal T, which is by Next Level. And this is actually in a size medium that they ordered. And then you'll need some heat transfer vinyl. The one I use is Caesar Easy Weed, but you can use any brand. So it'll be white. It's black tank top with the white. I do have a couple other designs which have different colors, but this is what they placed the order for. So that's what I'll be making. And then you'll need your cutting mat. You'll need your Easy Weed tool. And then of course a Cricut or any cutting machine that you use to cut vinyl. So I will load the image into my Cricut Design Space software now. I already have the measurements for it. All right, so here it is in Design Space. I've already measured it. You always want to make sure you mirror your image. And then I hit continue. There it is. So even though it's Caesar, I just use the everyday iron-on feature selection, and then I just leave this as default, so that stays the same. So now it's ready for me to put the mat in, and I'll show you that now. All right, so as you can see, it's blinking, so it's ready. Almost put it backwards. Make sure you don't put it backwards. Feed it into the Cricut, press the arrows, feed it. I think I said that like 10 times. Wait for the Cricut button to blink. Take it off the cutting mat, and then I just cut the excess off. And then now I read it. So I always like to start at the top edge and just cut away like that. And then you just peel away. Peel away. Sorry, I have to get my nails done, so I'll make sure my hand smells can seal it to miracle. And there it is. So I will be putting this on the tank top. So it'll be like this. And that is what it's gonna look like. So it's been pretty popular since last year. So I will be at the heat press in a few when it's ready to be pressed. All right, so I have the heat press already heated up. It's at 305. So what I do is I like to press the actual tank top first. So I get a nice flat surface. And then I get my Teflon sheet from the other heat press. And I lay it on top. And then I press it for about 7 or 8 seconds. The pressure is too low, too high. Like I do with my other shirts, when I do vinyl, I get a center point. So I fold it in half. And then I press this down. So it leaves that mark in the center, which should be the metal mark of the shirt. Or tank top in this case. Teflon sheet again. I don't know if you guys can see this Teflon. And I'm doing my center mark. Again, 7 to 8 seconds. And that is it. So now that I have my center mark, I lay the shirt again flat. Make sure not to burn myself. It's very windy outside. All right, so now what I'll do is I will fold my image in half. So I get the center mark on the image as well. And then what you do is, for my tank tops, I don't do 4 fingers down because since it is a low cut, I do about 2 inches down. Not 2 inches, 2 fingers down. I don't know if that's the same amount of inches, but could be. And then I just align it like this. So you get the mark matching the mark on the shirt, and then that should be the center mark. So now that I'm ready, I will put my Teflon sheet back on. I always second guess myself, but it'll be fine. And then I press it for the full 15 seconds, which I hope it's set to. I don't even know what it's set to because my dial is going on this press. I don't know if it's from being in this room, but I've had it for a while. I'm trying to remember. I don't even know if that was 15 seconds to tell you the truth. I think it was, but I was too busy talking. It's super cute. Yeah, I think I need a new heat press for like my vinyl because I have a heat press. I don't like the way it presses vinyl. It's for my DTG prints. So there it is, super cute. So yeah. Hope you guys liked it. Sorry if the video was very short, but I was just trying to get something out, being that I've been so busy lately. So thank you guys again for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers just so I can film a live with you guys. So if you guys have any questions, I can definitely answer those not in person, but live. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys have any ideas of any new videos you'd like to see, please leave them in the comments down below. So I'll see you guys in my next one.